welcome back to another video. So today we're going to unbox this Razer Tartarus micromembrane gaming keypad. So let's have a quick tour on the box. In front we got this Razer logo, the Razer Tartarus V2 picture up front, and a Razer Chroma logo. At the side there's just plain green with Razer logo. At the bottom just some specification and system requirement. On the other side of the box there's the same Razer logo. At the back of the box it features the Razer Tartarus features such as the 32 fully programmable button, the all new Razer micromembrane keys. Yeah, so that's all from outside the box. Without wasting any more time, let's jump ahead and get started. So once opening the box, we are greeted by this nicely looking package. So deeper inside the box, we have this message from the CEO of Razer, just like any other products, and also this Razer Tartarus V2 user manual, and also your Razer stickers. Yes, your Razer stickers. So that's all inside the box. Let's jump ahead and check out the Razer Tartarus V2. The Razer Tartarus V2 uses Razer new micromembrane switch, which is half membrane keyboard, half mechanical keyboard. So here is how it sounds. Overall, I do like this keyboard switch as it is really light, but it has this tactile and clicky feedbacks which give us the experience of typing on a mechanical. The main reason why I bought this is to use it as macro for video editing. It also has this additional scroll wheel which is really handy for video editing macros. The Tartarus V2 uses a Synapse 3 for Windows and Linux. Meanwhile, it uses Razer Synapse 2 for Mac, which is what I'm using. It is overall still a really great software experience. It also features this long braided cable which is really high quality considering the price of only under $100. Well, I guess that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribe down below. And if you want to see the full review on this, comment down below and turn on post notification. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.